Did you ever think of visually understanding the equation a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b and meaningfully applying the same into real life situations to make your life easier? If not, this video is for you. Unfortunately, our broken education system never teaches concepts like this to our students so that they are not getting the opportunity to experience the beauty of subjects like math and physics and meaningfully apply those into real life situations. So let me take you to the presentation and let us experience the magic. So here the question is, why a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b? To give you a visual experience of this equation, let me draw a square like this with side A. Now what about the area of this square? You know that it is equal to a squared. Now I'm going to draw a new square which is a smaller one with side B inside the first square like this. Now we have two squares, one larger square whose area is a squared and the smaller square with side B and area is equal to b squared. Now think about this equation. What about a squared minus b squared? Think visually. If you remove the smaller square with side B from the larger square with side A, the remaining area will be equal to area of the larger square, that is a squared, minus area of the smaller square that is b squared. Now area of a squared minus b squared is equal to the area of this L-shaped region. If you can calculate area of this L-shaped region, it will give you exactly the value of a squared minus b squared. Now to calculate the area of this L-shaped region, we wanted to know the length of this side, and it is obvious that this side is equal to the length of the larger side, that is A, minus length of the smaller square, that is B, because we are removing B from A, so remaining part is A minus B, and the same is true for this side also. So both this smaller strip and this strip is equal to A minus B. Now what I'm doing, I'm dividing this L-shaped region into two rectangles, a larger rectangle with length A and breadth A minus B, and the second rectangle is a smaller one whose length is B and the breadth is A minus B. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm taking these two rectangles separately and arranging them side by side like this. See, I have taken the first rectangle with length A and breadth A minus B, and I'm doing the same with the second rectangle with length B and breadth A minus B and arranging it side by side with the first larger rectangle. Now we got a single larger rectangle whose length is A plus B and breadth is A minus B. Now by finding the area of this single larger rectangle, which is exactly equal to the area of this L-shaped region, which is equal to a squared minus b squared. Now we are going to calculate it. What about the area of the rectangle here? It is equal to a squared minus b squared, or the area of this L-shaped region, which is equal to length of this larger single rectangle. The length is a plus b, because area is equal to length times breadth. The length of the single larger rectangle here is a plus b times its breadth, which is equal to a minus b. So we are getting the same standard equation, and I hope that this concept is visually clear for you. Now I wanted to take you one step ahead of this. Think about finding answer to this problem, 325 squared minus 324 squared. You observe this problem, this question is exactly in the same format as that of a squared minus b squared, with a is equal to 325 and b is equal to 324. Now if a squared minus b squared can be written as a plus b times a minus b, 325 squared minus 324 squared can be written as 325 plus 324 times 325 minus 324, which is equal to 1. Now, the problem is you get the problem super simplified. You don't even need a pen and paper or even a calculator to find the answer to the problem. You compare this method with the conventional way of calculating or finding the answer to this problem. In conventional method, you are multiplying 325 with 325 to find the value of 325 squared. Then you have to do the same with 324 to find the value of 324 squared. Now you have to subtract the value of 324 squared from the value of 325 squared to obtain the answer. But here it is super simple. You can simply add 325 plus 324 and multiply with 1, which is the same result you are getting, and the result here is 649. Now the ball is in your court. I would like you to try with this problem, 438 squared minus 436 squared, by using or by applying the same method. And in the next video, I will share one more or one step. I will take one step ahead of this so that you will understand applying the same equation in certain other situations in a different way. I hope you enjoyed this session and you got value from this. If you find value with this video, I would like you to do 3 things. First one, share your insights from this video below this along with the answer you got for the second problem I have given you. Second thing, if you are having someone in your friends or family circle who is going to be benefited with this information or insight, please share this with them so that we will collectively fight against the broken education system. Third thing, third favor I'm expecting from you, please consider hitting the subscribe button so that it will motivate me to create more content like this for you. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.